Hi there, and welcome to our vlog on what is probably the tastiest museum in all of New York, the Museum of Ice Cream. One of the cool things about the Museum of Ice Cream is that you can create your own ice cream name, which was a really fun experience. The idea of the museum is that you venture through a whole lot of different rooms, tasting the various flavours of ice cream, and you have lots of fun along the way.
Starting out nice and simple, and things are going to get kookier as we go along. And we do the sprinkle dance. And finally I got a song that can actually get a little sprinkle energy to it.
As you can see, each room has a different theme, and we found each room had lots of Instagrammable moments in them.
I see you! I see you! The camera is for Amy, look at that here! Choose them! I see that! I see me!
Give the person next to you a big smile. Come on, you can do it.
We really loved how interactive this museum was and how it showed off the unique New York heritage. We were surprised that the portion sizes of each ice cream type were really quite substantial. Another super cool aspect of this museum was that there was a downward slide to transfer you between floors. For us, this room was probably our favourite, as the girls got to enjoy all the equipment just like they were kids again. If you're enjoying our vlog about the Museum of Ice Cream in New York City, now might be a great time to hit the like and subscribe button. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you. And a big shout out to the staff at the Museum of Ice Cream. They really were awesome. They were a lot of fun and very inclusive, and it really made our experience. An adult size pool of sprinkles means one thing and one thing only: trick shots! Thanks so much for watching. If you've enjoyed our video, now might be a great time to hit the like and subscribe button, as there's much more to come. See you next time.